welcome to school.
Buhari don't win this election. Now so he did win 1984. You know current affair reach me.
No, I don't know current affair reach you.
No be say you even get PVC. Me when they talk, I don't get PVC. But I know say Buhari don't win.
I don't want them winner. See, whether I vote or I don't vote, Buhari not go win.
If you like, better.
Make person just dey come sit down for beer parlour drink beer. Na problem. Na no other person here work for this place, eh?
If they foul go back.
No problem with this one, huh?
Go sit down.
Let's make it. Why are you making noise?
You know me before. You know me before.
Why are you disturbing the food?
Hey! You know you can be prosecuted for that.
You look like that. I'm bad. Why you look at? I'm bad. Look at me.
Don't tell these guys to make you respect yourself.
No.
Oh, you feel happy?
No.
I'm bad. Look at me. No, I'm bad. Look at me. Come on. I will kill this guy.
Leave me first.
Oloye, Expo Oloye.
You want to fight?
I don't respect you.
Why you not?
No dey make love if no be Friday.
Hey, how are you?
Fine.
Man, you know I told you that this year is a special year, no time for jokes. I'm really serious.
No, you don't need to talk. Let me just take it to my dad.
Oh yeah, to your dad.
Oh baby, you look so wonderful. You are gone, they make my belly full. You know, yeah, jello yo.
Daddy, meet my fiancé, my boyfriend I've been telling you about.
Your fiancé?
Your daddy?
Yes.
This is your fiancé.
Oh my God.
Manuel, are you telling me the truth?
Thank you so much, guys, for watching School 2 Comedy. We appreciate and we love you so very much. Please keep subscribing to our YouTube channel and we'll keep giving you the best we can. We love you. See you next week.